Hello, 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 you guys. Get ready with me to go to my friend's 25th birthday today. It is a casual party, but we are going to do my go-to glam look. It's not full glam, but it's like glam enough to feel cute or whatever. So we're going to go ahead and start by doing our eyebrows. So I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil and I'm going to start at the tail. And I am just going to outline like that. And the same on the top. And just kind of get our shape building up there like so. And I'm just going to fill it in the middle. And then we go to the top here. We're gonna go up here and I'm just gonna do upward, small little light feather strokes. And we're just gonna keep doing that until we have the eyebrow looking how we want it to. You can see it's already starting to take the shape. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we're gonna apply our brow gel. Okay, so I did go ahead and already finish my brows. I went ahead and put the brow gel on. I used the NYX brow glue. And then I did also go ahead and prep my eyes. I put some NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer on, and then I put a setting powder over it. It is just the Morphe setting powder. And then I went ahead and did the e.l.f. Eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes, and now we're gonna go in with my favorite palette. It is well loved. You're gonna see the Naked 3 by Urban Decay. This thing is due to be replaced. It is well loved. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with my base shade, which is going to be this shade right here, if you can see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all over my crease all the way up to the brow bone and lay that down as my base shade, and just keep building on that on both eyes until I have it to the depth that I want it to be, and then we'll go in with the next shade. Okay, so now I have my base color laid into the crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Nooner, which is this shade right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and take a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start putting that into my crease like this, and I'm just gonna keep building that until I have the shade that I want, the depth that I want. It's already starting to really define my eyes. Like I said, I absolutely love this palette. This is my go-to look. So I'm just gonna keep blending this out and building it up until I have the desired look, and I'm gonna do that on both sides, and then we'll go to the next shade. Okay, so now I've got that shade done, and we're gonna go ahead and go in with Factory, this shade here. You can tell I use that one a lot. So we're gonna go ahead and take this brush again, and we're just gonna dab it in there, get some product on there, and we're just going to bring that about halfway into the crease, not all the way, and we're just going to keep building that and blending it until we have the look that we want. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the shade Blackheart, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to be taking a small packing brush like that, crease brush, and getting it coated, getting rid of the excess, and then I'm just going to pack it into this corner and gently be blending it out and smudging it down like so. And we're just gonna keep blending and smudging that until we have the look we want. This is gonna look a little more smoky, and just trying to form that outer corner V shape. And we're just gonna keep doing that until it looks the way that we want. Okay, so now we've got all of our colors in our crease, and it's looking really smoky, sultry. I'm really feeling it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush, And we're just gonna go ahead and take the shade, if I can read that. Okay, I can't read it because, like I said, this palette has been used and loved and I don't have the shades memorized, but we're gonna take this shimmer shade right here and we're just gonna pack it onto a flat brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shake off the fallout, the excess, and I'm just gonna go ahead and, starting in my inner corner, I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. And I'm just gonna build it up a few times until I have the shade that I want. And then we're going to do the other eye, and then we'll do our brow bone shade, and then we will do eyeliner and mascara to complete the eyes. So this looks stunning. I love it. I think it's so beautiful. You should get this palette and give it a try. It makes beautiful smoky eyes. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the shade Strange, which is gonna be this brow shade here. It's very light, like a cream tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack that just along my brow bone, just like that, to accentuate it, and do the other side, and then we're gonna do eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then we'll be back. Okay, so all the lashes are done, the eyeliner is done. This is what we're looking like. I think it's so pretty. I love it. So all I did was do my tight line with this Urban Decay 24/7 waterline eye pencil, which I absolutely love. And tight lining is where you put the liner right here. It's like your waterline, but it's on the top. And I think that's really important if you're looking to get a very solid, filled in look for your eyeliner, because sometimes if you don't do this, then it just looks like you can tell that there's like a skin toned gap between your lashes and your eyeliner. So this really helps with that, and it does not budge at all. And then I just took my NYX Epic ink liner and I just did regular eyeliner, and then my favorite mascara in the whole entire world, which is only $5 at Ulta, the Essence Lash Princess Fall Slash Effect Mascara. I mean, look at that. Like, that is, it's a winner. It's a winner. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. primer, Power Grip primer with the niacinamide in it. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt this onto my fingers like this. And I'm just going to put that all over, making sure I don't miss any areas because we don't want to look patchy. Nobody likes a patchy look, so we're just gonna go all over, making sure that we are getting every single inch of our skin. And it's so hydrating. Like, oh my god, this is actually my first time using this primer. I usually use the green one. Oh my god, this is so hydrating. It's awesome. It feels so good on my skin too. Like, it literally feels so good. And I'm just patting it into my skin. I'm gonna put some on my forehead and then we'll go into foundation. So I let it set for about 30 seconds so that it can activate and, you know, looking all good and whatever. So now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Camo CC Cream foundation on my damp sponge, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand, and bam, we're just gonna take this and apply it all over our skin, just like that. I love this foundation. It's been my obsession. e.l.f. has been my GOAT so far this year. I think their makeup is like literally for the cost and everything. I feel like it's really starting to come up in the world, like up next to these like really expensive brands. So y'all expensive brands, y'all luxury brands, better look out because Elf's coming for you. But I'm just gonna keep blending this out all over my skin. I love this primer. Like, oh my god, my skin looks flawless right now. Like, it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna keep doing that all over my skin until everything is nice and blended in. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our concealer and our setting powder, and then our blurring perfect finish powder. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, y'all, so I turned on another light just so you can kind of see like this glowing effect I have going on right now. Like, it is absolutely stunning. And honestly, this primer is what did this, because I've been using the green Elf primer grip and this Elf foundation, and there is a huge difference between using this one and the green one in conjunction with this foundation. Like, it is day and night. So I'm gonna go ahead and say like this one is definitely the GOAT between the two, and this is the one that I definitely recommend using for you guys, because it, look at my skin, look at that, like, I'm obsessed. So anyway, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set everything with the Morphe Bake and Set Brightening Pink setting powder so that we don't look too greasy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take this like so. It looks like that. And I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques powder puff and dab that into there. And then we're just gonna kind of pack some on the back of our hand because we don't want it to cake up. And then I'm just gonna go under my eyes to start and dab it on there. And this is gonna help us avoid any creasing as well. This powder, I love it. Like, my under eye, I love what it is doing for me right now. And the pink is really nice because I do have more of like purple dark circles under my eyes a lot because your girl does not sleep. So we're just gonna keep doing this, and I'm gonna go in my T-zone as well, just so that that's not so oily, and anywhere else where there's excessive shine or where I get a lot of creasing. And then we'll come back and we're gonna do the bronzing slash contour and then some blush. Okay guys, now that we're baked and set, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Wonder Stick, and we're gonna go ahead and get this contour show on the road. So you want to go up higher because you want a snatched look. So we're just gonna bam, just like that. And then we're just gonna go same thing, bam, just like that. Maybe a little bit more. And then we're gonna go up top, and we're gonna go, I have little baby hairs, but we're gonna go bam, and we're gonna blend all of that out. And then I always like to take a little bit as well on a straight edged flat brush, and I'm going to take some on there like this to snatch up this nose. And we're gonna blend all this out, and then we are gonna go ahead and do our blush. Okay, you guys, literally, I love this Wonder Stick. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's my first time ever trying it. You know, when I bought it, and I'm obsessed. Like, just look at this skin right now. Like, everything is going together so beautifully. You guys have got to try these products. I think NYX and ELF for a long time were an extremely slept on brand. Like, people did not know about them, but I used to use them religiously because when you're a broke girl and you want to look good, these were my goat. So don't sleep on them anymore. Like, they rock. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our blush. I am using ELF's liquid camo blush in the shade it is Dusty Rosé. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It is a beautiful like kind of rosy mauve-ish kind of pink color, and we're just gonna take it and put a few dots right here like that. And then we're just gonna take this fluffy brush here for blushes, and we're just gonna pat that into our skin. How pretty is that? How pretty is that shade? Like, that is so gorgeous. It's so warm and just pigmented. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll go in with our highlight. Y'all, I just wanted a close up. Like, how freaking gorgeous is this blush? Like, I am obsessed. So we're gonna go in with the P. Louise and Michaela highlight now. It is super blinding, which I love. So we're gonna go ahead and take our highlighting brush, and I'm just gonna take that and we're gonna go way up here, and I'm just gonna feather that onto the skin. Just like that, and you're gonna see this gorgeous, absolutely stunning shimmer going on just above this blush here. I think it's so stunning. I love the way this look turned out. I'm gonna do the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and do lips and set everything. I'm super excited. Again, this is me getting ready for my friend's 25th birthday, and I think that I'm really feeling this look. So this is my go-to look for, you know, like soft glam, I guess you could say. I love this look, and I've been doing it for years. So if you ever need to go out and you're on a time crunch, this is the look. Okay, you guys, so everything is looking amazing. I shut off the extra light so you can kind of see without like any crazy amount of light on everything. This highlight is to die for. I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX lip liner in shade Natural, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips just like that. I'm gonna keep doing that and get everything lined, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put on some ELF lip stain here in the shade Power Mauve. So I love mauves, as I've mentioned before. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this lip liner. I'll put the lip stain on, and then we're gonna set everything and see the final look. Okay, so this is how everything is looking right now. I can't decide if I wanna go over this with a lip oil, but for now I'm just gonna leave it because I do think the color looks really pretty with the blush. But I think this look honestly slayed. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I hope that if you did, you will subscribe and like. I also have Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram at It's Meg's Baby if you want to follow me there as well. The links are in my bio. And then we're just gonna go ahead now with our Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. It's one of my favorite setting sprays, and we're just gonna spray a little out just to make sure we don't get, you know, too much at once. And then we're just gonna set this whole look. And then we just want to make sure that dries, and then everything is complete. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to my friend's 25th party now. So, and this is the look. Bye guys.